Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on health, fitness, and beauty tips. Today, we're diving into something really important: nerve health. Whether you've suffered from nerve damage due to injury, illness, or just the wear and tear of life, there are ways to support your body in healing. And one of those ways is through vitamins. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 incredible vitamins that can help repair nerve damage. Ready? Let's jump in. 10 incredible vitamins to repair nerve damage. Number 1. Vitamin B12. First up, we have vitamin B12. B12 is crucial for the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves. Without enough B12, your nerves can become damaged, leading to problems like numbness, tingling, or even more severe issues. Vitamin B12 protects and repairs nerve cells. Make sure you're getting enough B12 from your diet or consider a supplement, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian, since plant-based foods don't naturally contain B12. Number 2. Vitamin B6. Next on our list is vitamin B6 is another powerhouse for nerve health. It helps with neurotransmitter production, which is essential for nerve communication. But be cautious. Too much vitamin B6 can actually cause nerve damage, so it's all about balance. Vitamin B6 balances nerve communication. Number 3. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine helps with nerve signal transmission and protects the nerve endings. A deficiency can lead to a condition called beriberi, which affects the heart and nervous system. Vitamin B1 supports nerve signal transmission. Number 4. Vitamin E. Coming in at number 4 is vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant protects nerve cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to damage. Vitamin E is especially important for people dealing with nerve damage related to conditions like diabetes. Vitamin E fights oxidative stress in nerves. Number 5. Vitamin D. Next up is vitamin D. Not only does vitamin D support bone health, but it also has neuroprotective properties. It reduces inflammation, which can help with nerve pain and damage. Vitamin D reduces inflammation, supports nerves. Number 6. Vitamin B9. Folate, or vitamin B9, is essential for nerve function. It helps with cell growth and the repair of DNA, which are critical for healing nerve damage. Folate also plays a role in preventing certain neural tube defects during pregnancy. Vitamin B9 supports nerve cell growth and repair. Number 7. Vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just for fighting off colds. It also plays a key role in collagen production, which is vital for healing and regenerating tissues, including nerves. Plus, it helps reduce inflammation, promoting nerve health. Vitamin C boosts collagen, reduces inflammation. Number 8. Vitamin B7. Let's talk about vitamin B7, better known as biotin, is famous for promoting healthy hair and nails. But did you know it's also vital for nerve health? Biotin supports the metabolism of fatty acids, which are crucial for the myelin sheath that protects our nerves. Vitamin B7 supports myelin production. Number 9. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin. This vitamin helps maintain the health of the nervous system by aiding in energy production. Without enough B2, your nerve cells may not function optimally. Vitamin B2 powers nerve cells. Number 10. Omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, I know omega-3 fatty acids aren't technically vitamins, but they deserve a shout-out. These essential fatty acids have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help repair nerve damage and reduce pain. Omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory and nerve repair. And there you have it, the top 10 incredible vitamins and 1 bonus nutrient that can help repair nerve damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these vitamins. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care of those nerves.